You just handed your mechanic $500 last month, and I'll bet at least 200 of that was completely unnecessary. I'm not guessing. This is happening to millions of American drivers every single day, and the auto repair industry is quietly counting on you never figuring it out. Welcome back to Infinite Garage, the place where we pull back the curtain on everything your car dealer and mechanic don't want you knowing. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button right now because what I'm about to share could literally save you thousands of dollars over the life of your car. Let's get into it. Here's the thing. Mechanics aren't all bad people. Most of them are hard-working, honest professionals. But the shop they work for? That's a business, and businesses exist to make money. So when you pull into a dealership service center or a chain shop, there's a system designed to upsell you on services, parts, and repairs you may not actually need right now, or ever. And because most of us don't know what's going on under the hood, we just nod and hand over the credit card. That ends today. Let's start with the big one, transmission fluid. You've probably never thought twice about it. Maybe you didn't even know it existed. But here's what's wild. Most mechanics will tell you to flush your transmission every 30,000 miles. Sounds reasonable, right? Except your owner's manual, the actual document written by the people who engineered your specific car, often says you can go 60, 70, even 100,000 miles before you need that service. That one upsell alone can cost you $150 to $250 every time. Check your manual. Seriously, pull it out of the glove box right now because that little booklet is one of the most underused tools you own. And speaking of fluids, coolant flushes. Same story. Shops love recommending these every 30,000 miles. But modern coolant, especially the long-life formula in most cars made after the year 2000, is engineered to last anywhere from 50 to 100,000 miles. Some manufacturers say you don't need to touch it for the first 5 years. Every time a shop talks you into an early flush, that's another $100 out of your pocket with zero benefit to your engine. Now here's one that really gets me fired up. Air filters. Not the engine air filter, the cabin air filter. That little rectangular filter behind your glove box. Dealerships love to pull this out during an oil change, hold it up looking all grimy, and charge you $40 to $80 to replace it. You know what that filter costs at AutoZone or Amazon? $8 to $15, and it takes literally 2 minutes to swap out yourself. Zero tools required. Just YouTube it once and you'll never pay for that service again. But wait, I want to give you something even bigger. There's a service called a fuel injector cleaning, or sometimes called a fuel system flush. Shops charge anywhere from $100 to over $200 for this. And here's the dirty secret. Unless your car is actively misfiring, hesitating, or showing symptoms of a clogged injector, this is almost always a waste of money. Modern fuel is already treated with detergents that keep your injectors clean through normal driving. If you're still worried, a $12 bottle of Techron fuel system cleaner poured into a full tank of gas does essentially the same job. That's it. Let's talk about brakes for a second because this one makes people nervous, and mechanics know it. Fear sells. If a mechanic tells you your brake pads are at 2 millimeters, they're not wrong to recommend replacement. But here's what they don't tell you. Brake pads don't go from 2 millimeters to 0 overnight. You often have another few thousand miles before it becomes genuinely dangerous. That doesn't mean ignore it, but it does mean you have time to shop around, compare quotes, or even buy the parts yourself and have an independent shop install them for half the price of a dealership. And while we're on brakes, rotors. This one is massive. Almost every shop will tell you that you must replace rotors every time you replace pads. That sounds logical. But the truth is, rotors have a minimum thickness specification stamped right on the rotor itself. If your rotors are above that spec and don't have deep grooves or cracks, they can be resurfaced. sometimes called turned, for around $15 to $20 each instead of $60 to $100 to replace them. Next time a shop says you need new rotors, ask them what the current thickness is and what the minimum spec is. Watch the energy in that conversation shift immediately. Here's something almost nobody talks about. Engine flushes. Some shops will try to sell you an engine flush before an oil change, basically running a chemical solvent through your engine to clean out buildup before they drain the oil. Sounds smart, right? Except many engine manufacturers specifically warn against this practice because those solvents can loosen old gasket material, cause leaks, and actually damage engine seals. This is a service your car almost certainly does not need if you've been doing regular oil changes. If someone tries to sell you one, just say no. Now let's talk about something you can do starting tonight that will change your entire relationship with car repairs. Download a Bluetooth OBD2 scanner. They cost $15 to $30 on Amazon, and pair it with a free app on your phone like Torque or Car Scanner. This little device plugs into a port underneath your dashboard and reads every single code your car's computer stores. So the next time your check engine light comes on and a shop charges you $100 just to diagnose it, you'll already know exactly what the code says before you walk in the door. That one tool pays for itself the very first time you use it. Here's your takeaway playbook. Own your owner's manual. Know your service intervals. Buy your own cabin air filter, pick up an OBD2 scanner, get multiple quotes before agreeing to any repair over $200, and never let urgency or fear push you into a decision on the spot. A reputable mechanic will always give you time to think. Look, I'm not here to tell you mechanics are out to get you, but I am here to tell you that knowledge is the most powerful tool in your garage. The more you know, the less you spend, and the more confident you feel every single time you pull into a shop. If this video saved you even one unnecessary repair, do me a favor and smash that like button. It genuinely helps this channel reach more drivers who need to hear this. Drop a comment below and tell me the shadiest upsell a shop has ever tried to pull on you, because I know you've got a story. Subscribe to Infinite Garage if you're not already on board, because we drop videos like this every single week. And when you're done here, go check out our video on the 5 things dealerships do during oil changes that you're actually paying for but never receiving. That one will blow your mind. See you in the next one.